Hello guys, welcome back. So today we arrived at the Kimberly and this is the new hotel but we've arrived. And there is Sheriff Labrador in the TV. It has got many apps. Prime Video, browser, media, and anything. With a two windows under the two windows, which makes 4. Or YouTube and Netflix, which means it could have more fun. And there's a telephone and the air conditioner and this speaker. What? Does it work? I don't think if this was working.
It's working. It's just a switch there.
Hmm?
Wala yan, hindi yan ilaw. It's not...
Ginagawa
Ayan
na
yung ilaw, yung katabi yan. Yung isa, yung malaki. Hindi, yan, yung malaki. Dito
Yan.
Wow! This big switch could make a big light. Let me see that down.
Ate yan.
Hooray! Picking up was really, really good.
Yung light, ito.
Yun. Ganito dapat pag bedtime.
Oh,
Patay bukas yun. Patay bukas.
Wag sana yung mga ilaw. Hindi naman matutulog. Pumili tayo ng Pringles.
what's this for?
Magbabayad tayo sa
Ano itong
ilaw.
isa?
Ayan. At dito. Ikaw mo ba?
Hindi, ito.
Having a lot of fun will be even good.
Wala.
And
Kasi
there's a
pan.
cup. But it's all good. And even it has just like a microwave.
Ceiling fan. Pero
But these ones are really good.
pwede na yung USB dyan eh.
So this must be a
Daddy.
bad thing.
Daddy.
Lazada lang.
Daddy, tapos yung isa ko dun. Okay na.
Having so much fun will be even easy. This little switch, if this big switch, if this light have like that, it could turn anything. Returning night power.
Makakuha naman kayo.
Huwag naman buksan lahat.
Eh, yung bola.
It's okay.
Magbibilyar kami ni Coco. Gusto ko ibig.
Gusto mo mag-billiard?
What?
Hindi yan, kuya. Huwag magalaw yan.
What is this for?
Mami, nasa po yung tablet. Where's the tablet? Sa tablet. Ano? May ano?
What? Is it 12:3 already?
Wow!
Let me see.
Daddy. Kasi siya pala
What would happen?
Sigma boy. What is that?
Ito.
But which one is the high?
I can jump over you, mami.
Wag.
Ayan na naman kayo, ha?
What? What is this timer for?
Huwag yan, kuya.
Yan, huwag mong pindutin
Oh,
No!
we cannot press anything. Which one of the high is it?
It's not a timer. It's the
Si Alexa pa po yan. Si Siri.
Huh?
Si Siri.
No.
No, most of
But
them
which
are.
one is the high?
Ano ba kinoconnect dito? Sa
Si-
TV?
Can you please turn on dash? Turning on dash.
Turning
Ano
on
meron?
dash.
YouTube? Walang Netflix.
It has. Look.
Meron.
It has everything.
That's everything.
All.
May palabas na ako.
Bibili.
Netflix.
Kukuha ba tayo ano? Netflix.
But there's food. But let me see what's the basket. If it's empty or not. It's really empty. Looks like someone just tries to put over it.
Daddy,
This,
buksan ko po.
This one is really empty too.
Tapos po sabi
How
daw,
could that happen?
insufficient cloud storage
Tingin?
later.
Sa'yo yan kasi nag-save yung ano.
Kids, this is the bathroom. We use it. And this is the shower. And it's both using that.
Ay, patay niyan.
Alright, alright.
Mami, Anong dito? Anong
We can use this hand dryer and dry our hands. But how can we use it now? What if families
Ayan yung
can
price ng M&M.
say there's no way to use it?
Yan, may price yan, Kokoy. Ayun, nakasulat.
180 yan.
It was having so much fun. Thanks again. Thanks for watching our video, guys. If you like it, give it thumbs up. Bye. See you later.
Nag-iba na sila.